Today we're going to learn about using the forecasts and quotas options that have been added to Infor CRM in version 8.04.3. So as you can see, something to note in the new version of the CRM is the new look, something you'll see right away. And when you come down your left-hand side of entities, you will see they have added forecasts, forecast pipeline, and quota. Let's start in quotas. So quotas is where the sales leadership is going to work to set the quotas for their team. So here's a look at some we've pre-set up. So as an example, you can set up just for the month. You could set them up for the year. You can even do them per distributor or dealer. Say that you have a certain quota for certain customers, you could do that. So you can break them out any way you'd like. And when we open up the detail view, as you'll see, it's a very simple quota format. You simply name it, assign the account manager, the amount, and the date range. Make sure you check active. So when you hit new, as you can see here, you can copy when you hover over the icons. But like the other entities, you right click on the quotas and you can look up or create new. You can even create groups from here to show on your dashboard. So again, see, it's very simple. You just pick from your list of account managers and you set the amount and the date range. So it's very easy to set up. And again, the quotas is managed by, it can only be edited and managed by the sales leadership. The sales team will be able to view all this, they just won't be able to edit the fields. So let's look at forecasts. So forecasts are what are managed by the sales team. So once they get their quota, they would need to go in and create a forecast based on how you tell them to do that. So let's look at the list view. So if you want them to forecast by month, by quarter, by year, by distributor, that can all be done. As you can see here in list view, again, it's simple options. They name the forecast. It'll auto assign to them since they create it. They'll put in their time frame and their amount that they think they can hit within that forecast. So when you open the detail view, what you'll see here is the brief view here of what they've said they'll hit. And you can click on the opportunities and you will see any opportunity now that has been put within an estimated close of the time frame the forecast is in. So if this forecast was only for the month of January, this opportunity would not show because it's estimated to close in September. So only the opportunities that fall within the timeline show. So that's a crucial part to remember. And you have to select to add it to forecast, which I'll show you that in a moment. The audit shows if anything's changed with it. So say Dan goes back and adjusts his forecast to 1.5 million, that would show here. The worksheet updates automatically when you click, let's see, let me find one. So here you go. So the worksheet, as you can see, is grayed out. It cannot be edited. So as Barbara has marked opportunities as closed won, and again, they're within the time frame of the forecast, they will come here on this worksheet and show what percent to quota she is. There's snapshots that can be taken, and these will stay here for the duration of the time frame the forecast is in. So this can show you, sales leaders a lot of times will say, before each sales meeting, get a snapshot, of your forecast so we can review it in the meeting. So you can see week over week what's changed in their forecast and follow up. So let's take a look at how you tie these opportunities. So again, when you click the Opportunities tab, it's going to show any opportunity that is within the forecasted time frame and has had the Add to Forecast checkbox marked. So when we jump over to Opportunities, again, nothing has changed here. They still manage and complete and fill out their opportunities just like they have. They simply click this Add to Forecast button. So that's the important piece. So it needs to be within the time frame of the forecast, and it needs to have Add to Forecast checked. Now let's take a look at Forecast Pipeline. This is a great way to look at different breakouts of your data with the forecasting. So you can see here by time frame. You can look at pipeline by country, by product. Again, these are all group driven, so you can build out more if you'd like. And again, any of these groups can be shown in your dashboards. So as you can see here, you can bring your forecast pipeline, your active quotas, opportunities versus actual. So depending on the groups you make, just like other entities in the CRM, you can bring these to the dashboard as well for a quick view of forecasts and quotas.